And one more chance and I'll get there. One more chance.
Never send me upon a work and I miss yet in a father. You know that.
Webman, I tell you this. Right now they're on the chalk line, brother. Second chance to see again. And you know, I'm gonna get chances, brother. Don't slip up.
I tell you, God can't came back this time, my father, man. I hate, man. God can't save him back this time, man.
So you don't know me have confidence in you. So make sure the soldier them do it. You over.
Say you why it is. You don't know. I want the man to knock me as soon as the thing start out. You see? That's the thing, man. So no say alright. I don't know now up to the task. Long live the king.
Long live the king.
Don't know it.
Oh.
Yeah. Boss man, how go on? Yeah. Alright, dead end of you. So I wanna hear project them this bossy.
For now, yeah, this is one of many. But the one here, kinda in a sticky situation right now because if I come up with some major funds in the next 30 days, I'm gonna lose that one here.
So if I hear business, how you gonna lose it?
Exactly. But you see, this is the nature of the business. And things like this, they use investors and you use their money so you can make a profit. You don't use your own money. Now, them a pull the loan. So me have to come up with some funds or get some new investors. So that's how you lose it.
Well, boss, that thing is confusing, you know.
Yeah. But that's why you not gonna deal with that part of the business then. That's my job. This is what me need you to do. I was going to tell you before, I have a whole heap of them type of project here. So I need somebody on the ground who can handle the day-to-day dealings with the work side, the workman them. You know you have some little fool who sometimes want to run in and feel like them can come rob your site. I've had that bad experience before. But I me used to deal with that, used to on the ground. I do it myself. So that's why I need somebody like you who have a team. You can manage that part of it.
It's an enforcer, you are.
Well, not in this raw sense. I like somebody needed to go beat up nobody. But we need somebody like you who can see a situation, take command of it, call it if necessary, and use brutal force if necessary as well. You up for a job like that?